Legal disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Investing involves risk, and you should do your own research or speak with a qualified professional before making decisions. $1,000 per month in passive income is possible, but not in the way most people think. It's not fast. It's not easy. But it is simple. And in this video, I'll show you a clear step-by-step path to get there in Canada. Here's the big picture. If you've watched my previous videos, you already know the basics: TFSA, RRSP, ETFs, and passive income. Now we're putting it all together. The goal is simple. Build a system that eventually pays you $1,000 per month. That's $12,000 per year. And we're going to break this into 3 simple steps. 1. Build capital. 2. Invest in simple ETFs. 3. Transition to income. Let's start with step 1. Build capital. Before you can earn passive income, you need something working for you. That's your capital. This is the part most people want to skip. But it's the most important. You build capital by doing 2 things: saving consistently and investing consistently. Let's make this simple. If you invest $500 per month and earn an average return of around 6 to 7% per year, after 10 years, you could have roughly $80,000 to $90,000. After 20 years, that could grow to around $200,000 to $250,000. That's where passive income starts to become real. Not in months, in years. This is why consistency matters more than timing. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Where to put your money? TFSA versus RRSP. In Canada, where you invest matters. For most beginners, the TFSA is the simplest place to start. Why? Because any growth in income inside a TFSA is tax-free. That means your dividends, interest, and withdrawals can come out without additional taxes. The RRSP is different. It can help reduce your taxable income today, but withdrawals are taxed later. So a simple way to think about it: TFSA equals flexibility and tax-free income. RRSP equals long-term retirement planning. Many beginners start with the TFSA first, and then add the RRSP later. You don't need to overcomplicate this. Step 2. Invest in simple ETFs. Now that you're building capital, you need to invest it. And this is where ETFs come in. An ETF is just a basket of investments. Instead of picking individual stocks, you buy the entire market. For beginners, simple is better. A common approach is one broad market ETF that tracks hundreds or thousands of companies. Optionally, you can add a dividend ETF later, if your goal is income. But early on, growth matters more than income. Why? Because growth builds your capital faster, and your future income depends on how big your capital becomes. Think of it like this. You're not planting a money tree for today. You're growing a forest for later. Keep your portfolio simple. 1 to 3 ETFs is more than enough for most people. Step 3. Transition to income. Now we get to the part everyone cares about: turning your investments into income. There are 2 main ways to do this: dividends or withdrawals. Let's look at simple math. If you want $1,000 per month, that's $12,000 per year. Now assume a conservative yield of 4%. To generate $12,000 per year, you would need around $300,000 invested. If your yield is lower, like 3%, you'd need closer to $400,000. If it's higher, like 5%, you might need around $240,000. This is why building capital is so important. Income doesn't come from magic, it comes from scale. And you don't have to switch everything overnight. Many people gradually shift from growth ETFs to a mix of growth and income ETFs. or they simply withdraw a small percentage each year. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's keep this real. Most beginners go wrong in 3 places. First, chasing high yields. If something is paying 8%, 10%, or more, there is usually more risk involved. High yield does not mean safe income. Second, expecting fast results. Passive income is not quick money. It's built over years of consistency. Third, overcomplicating everything. Too many ETFs, too many strategies, too much switching. Simple beats complex almost every time. Let's bring it all together. The system is simple. Step 1, build capital. Save and invest consistently over time. Step 2, invest in simple ETFs. Focus on broad market growth first. Step 3, transition to income. Use dividends or withdrawals once your portfolio is large enough. That's it. No shortcuts, no hype, just a clear path that works over time. If you're starting your investing journey in Canada, I'm building a simple step-by-step guide on this channel. Consider subscribing so you do.